section, article, etc. Like for example, in the nav tag, we'll write the navigation links. So here, the tag itself describes what content would be written inside the tag, and non-semantic tags it just don't describe the content to be written inside the tag. Like for example, image anchor tag, and like div tag, span, etc. Yes, sir. I would use React Router DOM for routing, sir. Yes, sir. First, I'll import a browser router routes route component from the React Router DOM package. Yeah, no. First, I'll install the package React Router DOM, and I have learned React Router DOM package version 6, sir. And after installing, I would import the packages like browser router routes and route. And next, I will wrap all the uh, all my I will import all the pages first, and next I will define all the routes inside the routes component. First, I'll route takes two props like two and element. Two defines where the two defines the URL where two defines the URL. If the URL comes in the web browser, the corresponding component which should be displayed will be written in the elements, sir. Like for example, yeah, okay, sir. Is it visible, sir? Yes, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. Shall I write the code, sir, or shall I write in English? Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. Sir, I am creating a new React project, sir. Yes, sir. In HTML file, sir. Like a project starts from the index.html file itself, sir. It defines the structure of the HTML and it renders into the web browser, sir. It defines the structure of the web browser. It defines the structure of the web page. Rendering is nothing but it displaying the content, sir. First, I will I will run first there will be actually in the React it starts from index.js file, sir. In the index.js file we'll select the root element, and in that root element will render the app component, sir. The content will be written inside the app component, sir. App.js is a place where our app resides, sir. We'll write all the content to be injected into root element in the app.js, sir. Uh, okay, functional components and class based components, sir. Yes, sir. Hooks actually, before hooks we use the class-based components, sir, and the working with the class-based components is very unreadable and not that much easy to develop, sir. So hooks enable the functional components to manage state and perform side effect and many other React features, sir. Hooks include use state. Yes, sir. Use state, use effect, use context, use reducer, and next use ref, etc. Sir. Node modules contains all the packages installed, sir. It contains all the packages which are installed in our project. Um, there are two methods, sir. First, when I run npx create react app and the project name, automatically the node modules will be installed, and the packages which were installed by the react app will be installed in the node modules, sir. And another one is like if I clone any repository from GitHub, and next uh, I have installed the packages which were written inside package.json with the help of command npm install. Then also all the packages will be installed and those will be placed inside node modules, sir. Yeah, arrays or nothing. Arrays in the JavaScript is ultimately an object, and it stores the collection of various data types like numbers, strings, boolean value, another arrays, like another objects, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. 2023, sir. Yes, sir. I'm creating weight, sir. Actually, yes, sir. I have done e-commerce website and expense tracker, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. Sir, actually, my project name is Gadget Hub, sir. This is like a e-commerce website where this website like sells mobiles and laptops. And first, I have this is my app.js file, sir. Okay. I have used Firebase for authentication, sir. Next, initially I have defined routes, sir. Yeah, okay, okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, there are many components, sir. Like, yeah, these are all my components, sir. I have used context, sir. Props are used to pass the data from a child component, sorry, parent component to child component, sir. Ah, yes, sir. Lakhireddy Balreddy College of Engineering, sir, in Mailavaram. Sir, this is my project, sir. Around 20 days, sir. Like, actually, this is my first project in React, so I have taken that much time. Yeah. Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, sir. No, sir. Yeah. Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. Sir, actually, this is a component inside the single product base. Yeah, wait, sir. Yeah, sir. This is a component inside the single product base, sir. Add to cart component is this one, sir. This is the add to cart button. I have taken another component for this button because actually I have displayed this button only the stock is greater than 0, sir, and also only if the item is not added to the cart I have displayed this button, sir. So that's why I have taken a separate component for this add to cart. And here what I have done is, first I have fetched the add cart item method. If the if the item is not added to cart, I have to add the item to the cart. So that's why I have fetched the add cart item method from the context. And also I have taken the cart array which consists of all cart items, and I have checked whether the cart already exists this cart item or not. Actually, here the find method checks the cart item is equal to the present present product ID, sir. If the item is already present in the cart, then it returns true, sir. So if the item is already present in the cart, I have shown a button to go to cart, sir. This takes the person to the cart, sir. And next, if the item is not present in the cart, I have showed a button add to cart, sir. And if I press the add to cart button, it goes to handle add cart item. In the add cart item, I have called the add cart item method, which is present in the context. Let me go to the context. Yeah, this is add cart item, and this is my dispatch method. In this, I have taken the product from there. And next, I'll go to the reducer and I'll show the method how I am adding to the cart. Yeah, I have taken all the necessary properties for the item to be added to the cart, and I have changed my state by adding the item to be added to the cart, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, actually, how much